Okay, Cheerio. We're gonna put you in the video here. Okay, get your toy. Get your toy. Your toy. Yeah, there you go. Here, throw it over here. Throw it over. Oh, nice toss. Nice toss. Okay, ready? Here. Here. Here, throw it over here again. Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay, here. Ready? Here, here. Whoops. Oh, man. Okay, I got it again. Here, go get it. Go get it. Go get it, yeah. Easy for you to say. Okay, throw it over here. Throw it over here. Toss it. Hit it over here. Hit it. Hit me. Come on, hit it over here. There you go. Good shot. Good shot. Okay, here. Here. Get it. Here. 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 Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Look. What's that? What's that? Here, here, here. Go get it. Here. Throw it back, throw it back. There you go. Nice toss. Here, that side. Go get it, go get it. Oh, wait, oh, nice nudge. That's a nudge. Nice nudge. Okay, oh, there you go. Boy, you want this. No, you want this. You do. Okay, you want this. Okay, look, there you go. Okay, nudge it. Wait, hit it with your beak. Yeah, good show. Here, here. Where are you going? Oh, okay, you got me there. That's your point. 1 point for you. What is it like? 18 for me and 1 for you, or something like that. I don't know. Okay, here you go. How quick? Speed is of the essence, but I got it. You still didn't beat me, so it's 28 for me or something. I don't know. Yeah, funny. Funny. How's this? Is this funny? Look at that. Look at, oh, jeez. That was fast. Oh, okay, okay, you got me. Okay, well, you have 2. It's like 2 for you and, what is it, 29, 30 for me or something. 2 for you and what, 30 for me. Okay, okay. This is going to be the big one. This is the big one. You want it? You want it? Oh, oh, I know you want it. Yeah, I know. Here. Here. There. What do you do if I just give it to you, huh? You know, you just throw it back. That's all you do. But I guess you like doing that. Here. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, you got me. I thought you were going to put it down over there, and all of a sudden you grab it and toss it off. So you got me. It's like 3 for you and 30, 32, 33 for me. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, you got it. I'm going to have to throw it at you. Yeah, but I was ready for that one. There you go. Nice toss. But it was my point. It's got to be 38 or 39 to 3 now. Yeah, okay. Oh, jeez. He's going. Is he going to go off the side or? Oh, he did. But that's the sign of experience. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Me and Cheerio, we're going to sign off for right now. Cheerio says goodbye. I say goodbye. We hope you enjoyed this video. You know, a man and his parrot, who sometimes squawks. Here, okay, here. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, so you're thinking, well, what's going on now? What's going on now is I'm just going to run a little video here. You don't even know about it, okay? You don't even know about it. What you do know is you're probably missing... Oh, you have both of them up there, okay. You have your toys up there, your green ring things. I'm going to sit down here at the computer and you just kind of do whatever you... Which could be... Look. Okay. Look. You got me there. It's 1-0. Okay, you want to play again. It's 1-0. I'm going to beat you. There. Now I'm watching you though. I'm watching you. You're going off to the side. Oh, where are you going? Jesus. You want to go? Oh. Man. That's 2. You're ahead 2-0. Okay. Enough of this messing around. There you go. I'm ready. I'm ready for you. Do it. Just do it. Front, side, corner. Ha ha. Okay. 2-1. It's 2-1 now. Oh. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Where are you gonna go? Oh, okay, but okay. 2-2. 2-2. 1. 2-2. La lay. 2 la loo la lay. 2 la loo la loo la lay. 2 la loo la lay. You know, that doesn't count because it was a ricochet. Ricocheted off his beak, so it's still, what, 3-2 my favorite. Oh, that was a bad toss, so that doesn't count either. There you go. Oh, nice recoil, nice toss, but I did get it. So it's like, what, 4-2 or something. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Which one's it gonna be? That one. You like that one? Okay, let's do it. Okay, not good enough though. Not good enough. It's gotta be, what is it? I don't know. 5 or 6-2 now. Let's say, I don't know, 6-2. Okay, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna give you a chance. I will give you a chance. Here, see, in there. I'm gonna throw it. Okay. Oh, clumsy bird, clumsy bird. But he's coming back and he throws it, but caught, of course. Like, I don't know, what is it, 9-2 or something. Okay. Here. Let's see if you can deal with that. There's an easy one for you. Yeah. Guess who? Here. Try that one. Pretty easy. Oh, a side shot, but I was ready for it. Oh, another easy one. Easy, right? Little side shot. So that's 14-2. This is going to be tricky. Here. Yeah, I know. I can do it. I'm allowed because I make the rules. Okay, well, you know what? I think we're going to just sort of... We're going to calm things down here. And we're just going to let Cheerio calm down. I'm going to do some stuff on the computer. He's going to sit up there for a while, and you can see what he does when he just kind of hangs out up there. What are you doing, Cheerio? No, it's me. I'm here, but you're getting ready to go sleep. Yeah, you are getting ready to go to sleep.